Good day, ladies and gentlemen. If you've never bought a bargain at Bakkie Centre in Kimberley, then this might be your first chance to get a bargain. What a deal! A 2007 Polo Classic up for grabs in a beautiful, perfect condition. New tires. Just look at those mags. Wow, that's amazing. I will show you the pictures on the inside now. But this car is a legend. It's a beautiful 2007 Polo Classic Trendline. On the inside it looks spiggerish. It has a radio, perfect working condition, aircon, seats in a great condition. Back seats is also beautiful. It looked like it was never used. I will just look where the headrests are. But anyway, what a beautiful car. And I know this might sound unbelievable, but this 2007 Volkswagen Polo Classic 1.4 petrol Trendline with only 140,000 kilometers on the clock is going for a price of 89,900 Rand, available at Kimberley Bakkie Centre.